The aluminum outer body remains the same, as does the port selection, the excellent Retina resolution display, the new keyboard, bigger touchpad and even the second screen touch bar. What is new is a move to current 7th generation Intel Core i series CPUs, sometimes referred to by the code name Kaby Lake. The MacBook Pro models that we reviewed late last year had older 6th gen Intel chips, although they were certainly fast enough for almost any tasks as is. Of course, Intel is already starting to talk about 8th gen Core chips now, so it's best not to obsess too much on the exact CPU model in any laptop you buy. There's always something new coming. The 2017 Pro also gets an updated set of graphics hardware options. The integrated graphics chip goes from the Intel HD 530 to the HD 630, part of the jump to the Kaby Lake platform, and the discrete graphics go from AMD Radeon Pro 450 and 455 parts to, you guessed it, Radeon Pro 555 and 560 options. Every 15-inch MacBook Pro laptop includes an AMD GPU, while the 13-inch models make do with Intel's built-in graphics. If that's the good news, then the bad news may be that if one or more of the features of the new MacBook Pro design kept you away, the super flat keyboard, the touch bar, USB-C ports, etc., then this set of 2017 revisions isn't going to do anything much to change your mind. On the other hand, if you've been thinking about stepping up to a MacBook Pro, or upgrading from a much older model, the jump to newer Intel CPUs and faster AMD graphics cards keeps the MacBook competitive. This is still Apple's largest, most powerful laptop, and has been since the 17-inch MacBook Pro was discontinued in 2012. It remains a top choice for professionals, creative and otherwise, who want desktop-like power in a reasonably portable package.